welcome back to couponing with me at Walgreens. We are going to be going over all digital coupon deals that you guys can do this week. Plus, I'm going to show you multiple transactions and how you can roll your rewards to earn high value register rewards to lower your out-of-pocket cost when you're using a digital booster. I have a spend $50, get $10 in Walgreens cash, and we are going to be spending about $16 out of pocket for that transaction, but we're going to be earning cash back from Ibotta as well. So just because you have a high digital spend booster like that, you should not be spending $50 out of pocket. Absolutely not. I show you on this channel how to keep your out-of-pocket cost as low as possible and how to do multiple transactions. You're only doing 2 or 3 because your out-of-pocket cost should be your #1 priority. All the deals that I share in this video, plus 20 or 30 more, are available in my holiday savings club. You get the top 40 deals and breakdowns for CVS and Walgreens every single week, my digital budget spreadsheet, my transaction spreadsheet, all the tools you need to be able to save 75% every single month and let me do the couponing and the work for you. Right now, you can join completely free for your first month. Use code SAVE at checkout. So 0 risk to you, but all the reward of saving money quickly. So that link will be below for you guys in the description box, as well as the printable breakdown and a bunch of other resources for you. So definitely check it out. Let's head inside and take advantage of these great deals at Walgreens this week. What we're going to do for our first transaction is get a high value register reward so we can then use it in our digital spend booster scenario to lower our out-of-pocket cost. So last week I went to do the Gillette and Venus deal, and 2 higher value digital coupons actually wound up coming off than I expected, which we love when that happens. So this week we're going to use the original ones that I was going to use last week. So the deal on Gillette and Venus razors, they are buy 2, get back a $10 register reward. The one you want to grab is the $9.99 one. My store is out, so I'm going to have to upgrade to this one. There is a $3 off one digital coupon that you're going to want to clip. And then you want to come over here to the Venus section and you want to grab any of the ones that are $9.99. There is a separate $3 off one digital coupon. So let's pretend this is the $9.99 version because that's the one that you're going to want to grab. It's the better deal. So total is $19.98, but you have $6 in digital coupons. You'll pay $13.98. I'm going to roll $10 in Walgreens cash, pay $3.98 plus taxes out of pocket. Then I'm going to earn back the $10 register reward for buying 2, which I'm going to use in my second transaction with the digital spend booster. So let's go take a look at that. Another razor deal you can do real quick before we get into the digital spend booster deals are going to be the disposable Gillette and Venus. So they're buy 1, get 1 half off, spend 15, get back a $5 register reward. So what you want to do is grab one of the Venus that are $10.99. We have a $3 off one digital coupon that you're going to use. Then grab this Gillette. This one is $9.29. It's cheaper, so it'll be the half priced. Plus we have a $3 digital coupon for this one. So total for these 2 is $15.63. We're over 15, so we'll get back the $5 register reward. After the $6 in digital coupons come off, you're going to wind up paying $9.63 out of pocket. Earning back the $5 register reward makes it $4.63 for 2 of them, or about $2.31 a piece, which is still a really good deal for razors. The next deal I'm stocking up on is the deodorant, the Old Spice, Gillette, or Secret. So it's part of a monthly promotion for buy 1, get 1 half off, buy 4, get an $8 register reward. This is such a great deal. We also have some Ibotta rebates. So I'm gonna grab the ones that my husband uses and stock up because we don't always get really good deals on this. So I'm gonna grab 2 of the total body for $13.98. We have a $7 off 2 digital coupon, plus we can submit this to Ibotta for $2 cash back each. Now we need to buy 4 products to get back the register reward. So the other thing I'm going to stock up on is some of this deodorant for myself because it's my favorite that I actually use. It's $9.99 buy 1 get 1 half off, and I have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. Now that coupon is an only for you digital coupon, so not everyone may have it, so definitely check your account and see. We can also submit this one to Ibotta for $2 back on 2. So total for these 4 products for me is $35.96, but I have $12 worth of digital coupons. So I'm gonna wind up paying $23.96 plus taxes. Then I'm gonna get back the $8 register reward plus $2 from Ibotta, $2 from Ibotta, and $2 from Ibotta. that makes my final net cost $9.96 for all 4 products, or like $2.49 a piece, which is an amazing deal. Again, it's products that we're actually going to use. Now, I am including this in my digital spend booster, so it's going to wind up being even cheaper, so stay tuned and I'll show you the entire transaction. Another option you can do, if you don't have the 5 off 2 digital for this one, replace these with the Secret Clinical. These are the same exact price of $9.99, but there is a 7 off 2 digital coupon. So it'll wind up being a little bit cheaper for you. There's no Ibotta rebate for this one, but if you have the digital coupons and you need these products, that could be another scenario for you. The next deal I'm going to grab is on the Tresemme. So these are buy 2, you're going to earn back a $5 register reward, and they're $6 each. Some of them are $7 each. It's up to you which ones you want to grab. So grabbing the $6 ones, we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $7, earn back a $5 register reward. Makes your final cost $1 a piece for Tresemme. That is definitely a stock up price. The other option you can do if you don't like Tresemme is to grab the Dove. This time you're getting the larger bottles here that are on sale for $6. So it's going to wind up being the exact same math. So it's up to you. You can either pick Dove or you can pick Tresemme. The last deal, you already know we're adding in some cheap oral care to get us over the spend amount that we need for our digital booster. So what I'm going to do is the Colgate. There's 2 different promotions. You can do the $5 promotion. They're buy 2, get a $5 register reward. We have a 4 off 2 digital coupon. So you'll pay $6, get back a $5 register reward, makes them 50 cents a piece, but the out of pocket is $6. Or you can grab the smaller ones at $4.50 each. That'll bring you to $9. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon. You'll pay $5, get back a $3 register reward. Makes these $1 a piece. So this is definitely the better deal, and this is what we're going to be adding in our transaction. So let's go over my second transaction. This is the transaction I'm going to be using this digital booster for spend $50, get $10 back in Walgreens cash. So total for all this is $57.96. I'm going to use $5 in Walgreens cash. New total is $52.96. We're still over 50, so we're good to go. We'll get back the Walgreens cash. Then after all of the coupons, we have $21 worth of manufacturer coupons. We'll pay $31.96. I'm going to use $15 in register rewards that I earned from my first transaction. I'll pay $16.96 out of pocket, so a nice low out of pocket. Then I'll earn back the $10 in Walgreens cash from the booster, $8 register reward for the deodorant, $5 register reward for the Tresemme, and a $5 register reward for the Colgate, plus $6 cash back from Ibotta. Makes your final net cost just $2.96 for all of these products. Now, let's go do one more transaction. The last deal I'm going to do, I'm completely out of toilet paper, so we're going to do the Quilted Northern Angel Soft or Dixie Plates deal. It's not tagged in my store right here, but as you can see, they are $6.99 on sale. Buy 2, get a $3 register reward. So you can either grab a Quilted Northern or an Angel Soft or a Brawny paper towel. There is a 50-cent digital coupon, so it'll work one time for either one of those 3 products. Quilted Northern's my favorite, so I'm going to grab this one. Next, we're going to grab some Dixie plates. So you can either grab these larger plates here for $6.99. You can do the bowls for $6.99. I think I'm going to grab the bowls because that'll help when we host and such. Then there is a 50-cent separate digital coupon. So total for these 2 is $13.98. We have $1 in digital coupons. I'm going to be rolling some of the register rewards I earned in my second transaction to lower my cost. Then I'll earn back a $3 register reward. Makes your final cost $4.99 per pack. Not the best deal in the world, but again, I literally need toilet paper and this is my favorite. Plus, I'm gonna be rolling my rewards, which is the whole point, to keep my out-of-pocket super low. We have 3 transactions we're doing today. Let's go to checkout and see how it all goes. Okay, we're back in from CVS, from Walgreens. Sorry, I did CVS earlier this morning. So I wanna show you guys my transactions. So my first transaction, I did both of the Venus and Gillette deals, the non-disposable and the disposable, because I could roll more Walgreens cash. So these are all the products that I grabbed. All 4 $3 digital coupons came off. So then I rolled $20 in Walgreens cash because I wasn't using any boosters or anything on this transaction. Paid only $10.38, including taxes out of pocket for all 4 products. Then I earned back the $5 register reward and the $4 register reward that I then used in my second transaction. So my second transaction is the one for my digital spend booster. So it's the exact same scenario that I showed you guys in the video. Here is the receipt with all of the products. These 3 are the register rewards. The $4 one I had from last week. Then I used the 10 and the 5 that I just earned. Here's all the digital coupons. $7 for the Old Spice Total Body, $5 for the Old Spice, $5 off 2 for the Tresemme, and $4 for the Colgate. Rolled $5 in Walgreens cash, like I mentioned, paid $16.32 plus taxes out of pocket, but then I was able to submit to Ibotta and got $6 cash back. So on this transaction, I wound up spending $16.32, but getting $6 back. So it cost me $10.32 for all the products in this transaction, which is amazing. Because again, my husband uses the Old Spice and I use the stick deodorant Old Spice. I have some in my purse actually too that I need to replace. This is the one that I actually use. I like the blue one. It smells good. What are you gonna do? I like men's deodorant. Fight me in the comments. So then I earned back the register rewards from this, and then I earned back the $10 in Walgreens cash. I got $10.52 because you always earn the 1% back when you're couponing at Walgreens when you have a Walgreens account like we do. Then my final transaction, like I said, I needed toilet paper, and Quilted Northern is my favorite. The deal would be a little bit better if you could grab the Brawny paper towels. I don't think my store carries them anymore. I didn't even see a tag for them or a spot. They didn't have them unless they moved them to another aisle or something, because that one has a $1 digital coupon. These just had 50-cent digital coupons. So I paid $3.96 out of pocket for this one. So let's head home. I'm going to enter in all of this information in my digital budget spreadsheet and see where we finalize. This is, I think, the last coupon haul I'm going to be doing for this month, so we can finalize our budget spreadsheet, see how we ended up, and make sure that we are not going over budget. That is the most important part. So let's head home and take advantage of that. So this is my digital budget spreadsheet. We are going to enter in each transaction and we're going to finalize it and see exactly how much money we save for the month. I'm so excited. This is always my favorite part. So what you're going to do, this is included in the Holiday Savings Club as well. If you're included in the club or you join, you'll be able to have access to this and you can enter in your own info. If you don't want to be part of the Savings Club where we're saving $1,000 together by December 1st, you can just grab the budget spreadsheet if you want. You can go here or it'll be linked below in the products. So first what we're going to do is enter in the date. So it's the 25th. Then I do one line per transaction. If you want to do the entire haul in a transaction, you can do that as well. Totally up to you. So the first line is retail price. This is your sale price, total of all of the products that you're grabbing. So my first transaction I did, it was $34.61. My out of pocket, how much I swiped my card for, and you'll find that on the receipt. After any rewards that you used, how much did you swipe your card for, including taxes? Mine was $10.38. Rewards I paid with, $20. No gift cards. Total cash back on this one is none. And then rewards I earned back was $15. So I saved 70% on my first transaction. Second transaction was the digital booster transaction. So this one was $57.96. My out of pocket was $16.32. Rewards I paid with was $24. No gift cards. Total cash back, $6 from Ibotta. Rewards I earned back was $5, $10, and 8 is $18, plus 10 is $28.52. Saved 82% on my second transaction. And then my last transaction was just because I need toilet paper. So this one was $13.98. Out of pocket was $3.96. Rewards I paid with $10. No cash back. And then rewards I earned back was $3. So 71% saved on my last transaction. So this is going to all add up, and this is going to be the average percentage saved of every single thing that you've done for the entire month. I saved $660.67 using only my phone. Like, even to this day, I've been doing this for 7 years. It's still just so freaking exciting. And we came in under budget. So over here, this is a really important little graph or table. So it's going to tell you how much you've left in your budget. So if I want to do a Walmart haul this week, or if I need to go back out to the store and grab something, I have $16.39 left to spend to be able to stick to my budget of $150 as my cash cost. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget, smash the thumbs up button for me. And if you're not subscribed, hit that face icon. I'd love to have you as a part of my channel. I show all digital coupons. The easiest way to save money is using only your phone. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to couponing at Walgreens and you want a tutorial on that, you can click the video here for my how to coupon at Walgreens video, and I'll see you inside. Bye.